こんにちは。ゆかきりパロットとずんだもんです。
今回は SCP-682 の破壊試験の記録の報告書を通して読んでいきます。
Are you ready?
Let's get started. Item: SCP-173. Termination Test Record. SCP-682 is introduced into the containment area of SCP-173. SCP-682 makes several screeching noises, and quickly presses against the wall farthest from SCP-173, staring at it the entire time. SCP-682 continues to stare at SCP-173 without pause for 6 hours. Agents equipped with large-caliber sniper rifles are dispatched, and shoot out the eyes of SCP-682, at the same time stopping all observation of SCP-173 and SCP-682. After resuming observation, SCP-682 is shown to be on the floor, with several injuries around its head, neck and legs. SCP-173 is seen to have tissue from SCP-682 on its hands. SCP-682 rapidly regenerates damage, and moves to a different wall, developing several sets of eyes on various parts of its body, many covered by thick, clear caps of armored carapace. SCP-682 maintains observation of SCP-173 for an additional 12 hours, despite additional efforts of agents and Foundation staff. SCP-682 is allowed to exit the containment area, and recaptured in a temporary containment area. Notes: after review, it appears SCP-173 was unable to do lethal damage to SCP-682 due to a major difference in physical size. A possible repeat of this test may be made if SCP-682 is damaged enough to reduce its physical mass to a level equal with SCP-173. Item: SCP-096. Termination Test Record. A containment tank containing SCP-096 is placed in SCP-682's cell. Personnel vacate the vicinity and the tank is opened remotely. Screams of the two entities continue for 27 hours, at which point the noise abruptly stops. Sonar-based video feeds reveal SCP-096 is severely wounded and huddled in the southwest corner, apparently upset. The feeds show SCP-682 is on the north end of the room, approximately 85% of its initial mass is absent. Recontainment teams retrieve both entities with relative ease. Further attempts to expose SCP-096 to SCP-682 cause it to turn away from 682, jumping in place while clawing at its face and screaming.
パロット博士、ありがとうございました。
報告書は以上になります。また次の SCP でお会いしましょう。
ご視聴ありがとうございました。
Thank you for watching.